This is Nancy with Fix This House, and today we're going to figure out how to work the Cuisinart mini food chopper, food processor. It's called Mini Prep Plus, and I have a beautiful red version right here. There's 4 parts that we're going to be working with. This is the motor that I have plugged in. This is the blade. We have the dish or the basin and the lid. Okay, and there's some little tricks to this. We'll be chopping up a cucumber. And then later on, I'm going to do another video showing you how you can grind coffee with it. So you want to put this top onto here, and it seems like it'd be straightforward that you just stick it on, but it doesn't. It actually has to turn a certain way. It says bowl lock here, so you're going to be turning it that way, which is counterclockwise. So set it on top, and then turn it gently until it clicks in. Okay. When it clicks in, it's not on yet. Turn it, clicks down, and then you want to use the counterclockwise turn until it snaps into place. Now I can hold it by this. I can unsnap it. You can also see that in this section right here, there are little nubbies. You see those little nubbies, 3 little nubbies? They have to go in between the nubbies that are on here. That's a technical term, nubbies. So we're going to line them up so that they are not on top of each other. Turn it until it sinks down, listen, and then turn it counterclockwise to lock it into place. All right, that's step 1. Get that thing on there. Lock it into place. Take your blade, put that on next. You do not want to have food in here when you put the blade in, otherwise you have trouble getting it down to the bottom. It's got to sit on the bottom. Did that. Here's the next part that could be tricky. See this little section right in here? There is a safety mechanism there. The tab on this has got to engage that safety mechanism right in there. So we're going to put the lid on, and this thing should be on the front side, this side of the safety mechanism, and turn. Okay? Once it turns, if it doesn't turn all the way, it's not going to turn on. It's got to be completely engaged, like that. Go to the front. We'll test it out. Hit the chop button. Hit the grind button. I believe the grind button goes clockwise, and the chop button goes counterclockwise. So let's take our piece of cucumber and chop some pieces up. Okay, and we'll see what this does. I love Cuisinart products in general. Okay, no. Turn it, and then we're going to hit the chop button. Let's see what it says. I think that'll work. Hit the chop button. I'm just pulsing. Let me show you what it did with just 4 little things. 4 little pulses. Take it off. Let me show you how you take it off. That doesn't look too bad. So I'm going to put this back on. I'm going to hold the tip here, this part here, and set it back down in. Twisting. It's a little tricky. And holding it down so it doesn't come up, and getting it locked in. Put the lid. Make sure that this, whoop, I have it backwards, see? I can't lock it that way. It's got to be on this side. Put it in. If you have it out and you hit the button, nothing happens. Put it in. Okay, it's chopping it up. Good. All right, now to remove this, to take the lid off, you twist it that way. Clockwise, lift up. We can wipe this stuff down. And I'm going to add more in. Turn it, and we're going to hit the grind button to make it finer. Open it up. To lift this off, I've got to twist it.
It's so loud.
There you go. Yeah, it is loud. Okay. Now, one of the problems that I've seen is when you have food down here. Let me chop up some of this. And you try to put this on. When you push down, this blade comes up. Okay, so it goes up, and then when you put it down, it's hard to get if you get the food stuck underneath, let's see if I can do that. The food stuck underneath, it's gonna be hard to get it to work. So watch out for the food going underneath. It's gonna depend on what the food is. Okay? If there's a lot stuck under there, it's not gonna work. I can kind of hear it. I think that piece is stuck underneath. See, I got a piece of cucumber that I jabbed under there. So make sure that your food is not underneath. There it is right there. Okay. That's why when you put that lid back on, you want to hold it all the way down to the bottom, stick it on like this, find the middle of the blade and twist while holding it down, and that will prevent some problems. One more time. And voila, there she is. A great little machine, just the right size, doesn't take up much space, but can handle a lot of projects, a lot of cooking projects, and it's a Cuisinart. You can't go wrong. All right, thank you for watching. If you have any questions, comments, or suggestions, please write them down below. Hit that like and subscribe button if you would like, and I think I'm going to be grinding up some coffee next, so watch for my next video.